how to get private key of wallets in Bullx. This is what we're gonna discover in this video. Hello everyone, my name is Nick, and so let's get right into it. So you might be wondering, you might be using Bullx, okay, and you might be wondering, how do I get the private key? Because I don't see nowhere. So if you go on Wallet Manager, okay, you see here, I don't have a lot of money, of course, so whatever I have is on memes. You can see here. These other ones like 7K and stuff, it's just spam. It's not even. Yeah, I know what the real memes have invested are. So, anyways, what I wanna say is, you go here, for example, you don't see any private key option, right? And let me tell you this. So maybe when you created a new wallet, okay, when you created your wallet, actually, okay, you should see a private key somewhere around here. You don't see that anymore. But if I go ahead, okay, let's do a Binance, okay, Binance or Arbitrum. Let's see what else I can do. Um, okay, let's do this one, okay, Binance, all right, BNB. I create a new wallet. There it is, private key. One private key here. Of course, I'm not gonna. Let me just download it. Right. You go on download key. There you go. Done. Boom. That's it. You don't see that anymore, because if you download it, it's not there anymore. Because in case you get hacked, okay, your accounts get hacked, the you know they won't have any access to your private key, right? I mean the person who hacked your Bullx account, all right. But the other thing is, it lasts this one by the time of when you create the wallet. It lasts for, I think, 48 hours, if I'm not wrong. Okay, you have 48 hours to download the private key. If you don't do that within 48 hours, you lose the private key, which means you won't be able to get the private key ever again. Okay, and that's why you have to keep it straight away when you create the account. Okay, so yeah, that's all. That's all, and this is what I wanted to talk about. Thank you for watching. Write down to the comments, what other tutorials do you want me to create, or about Bullx. What are your difficulties in Bullx, so that I can actually help you with that. And also, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, I'm giving you valuable information for free, which is tutorials, and maybe I also done a challenge for Solana, which failed, by the way, but I took the wrong decisions, which is okay. It's on me. But I want a challenge with Blofin. So if you don't know what Blofin is, guys, I will leave a link to the first comment so that you can check it out. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.